Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Today's video is a nighttime cleaning routine. This is how I clean my home every night. This is my routine. I do not go to bed with a dirty home or a dirty kitchen. Very rarely I'll go to bed, with a dirty kitchen. But this is my nighttime cleaning routine, you guys. So please stick around, stay tuned, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Make room on the dance floor now. What you gonna do? So get up on your feet and get on down. Real low, low. One foot to the left and jump to the right. On your feet, and get on down. Real low, low. One foot to the left and jump to the right. Now what's the vibe? It's a party time. Wanna move our feet now. I wanna drink our wine. Feeling that vibe. We're so alive. Is it me and you now? Let me smoke that pipe. Oh, feeling so fly. Wanna dance with you. Rhythm takes control. Oh, it's on tonight. And you shine like gold. I can get enough now. Let me come real close now. Baby, strike a pose. Here we go, I put this miserable song on repeat. Cause you seem to forget how much you are hurting me. Do what's right, you say you will, but then you don't. You just don't. You don't care, cause you don't take me seriously. What's there to repair if you don't wanna talk to me? You should know your time is up, I'm out, I'm done. So I put you on a lifetime sentence, and you'll no longer feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. You're on a lifetime sentence, so now you never feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. Yeah, yeah. So you thought I would let this slip. No, that's right. Your words don't mean a thing to me. Sleepless night, your love has left us incomplete. sentence. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. You're on a lifetime sentence. So now you never feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. Cause I don't. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. Oh no. So you thought I would let this slip. So I put you on a lifetime sentence. And now you never feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. You're on a lifetime sentence. So now you never feel my presence. Never feel. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. Thought you knew me so much better.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. What did you think? You could say whatever and I would never hear. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. Oh, if I control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't change, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day. So I never saw your face.
Okay guys, it's time for this video scripture. It comes from Isaiah 43 verse 19, and it says, "Behold, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs forth. Do you not perceive it? I will make a way in the wilderness and rivers in the desert."
It's you.
So unfortunately, we have come towards the end of this cleaning motivational video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you click the notification bell also so that you won't miss any more uploads from me. I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed night. Bye.
So before I get